Well, how's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Out here at the lake today, we're just going to take a few casts, see what we can catch. A little windy. Well, it's raining on and off all day today. Hey, that's all right. We're gonna start off here, probably try a few other spots. Maybe head over to the creek. There we got something. That feels like a nice one too, whatever it is. If that's a bass, that's gonna be a nice one. Where are you going to, buddy? Sitting over here for them logs. There he comes. Swimming right at me. Oh. Oh, that is a good looking bass. I actually thought it'd be bigger. It's just a fighter. There he is. Yeah, it's just barely hooked. Good healthy looking bass. Let's put him back. Oh, there's something tapping at it. Oh, we got him. Little guy this time. Not too bad though. We'll take him. Let's put him back. Well, that's not a very big spot over there, and a family showed up, a couple of kids. So I got on out of there and moved on up the lake here a little bit. Let them have that spot. Or give it a try up here. There we got us a bass. Get that hook back, buddy. Put him back. There in there, bass. Easy, buddy. Whoa, put him back. Well, that spot didn't last very long either. Caught those two there, and some more people showed up, so I headed on over here to the creek. That's a fish. This is a creek I fished many, many times, but never fished this section of it. I'm gonna give it a try. See if we can't pull something out of here. Pretty high bank here. If I do catch something, it could get interesting, especially if it's something big. There we got a little smallmouth. We can get him up over the bank. Easy, buddy. Nice little smallie. Let's put them back. Oh, pretty shallow down along here. I'll walk on down and see if we can find a little bit deeper water anywhere. Well, we finally found a little place here we can get down to the water. I don't know if there's any fish out here or not. Well, that's to be determined. There we go. Got a nice smallie on there. Oh, that's a good looking one. Easy, pal, easy. Nice chunky creek smallie there. Let's put them back. On the old pumpkin Senko. There he is. Got a little guy there. Little fighter though. Thinks he's big. Come on, bud, let me get a hold of you. Something on his fin there. Put him back. Now you're gonna head on down a little bit and give it a try. Looky there. Anybody lose the chain guard to their Schwinn bicycle? Pretty shallow. I don't know if there's any fish out there or not, but I just got to take a cast over there by that awesome looking rock. Well, that was a nice little stretch of creek. First time I was ever down here. I'll come back and check it out a little further next time. Right now I'm going to head on to another spot. Gotta be something down here in the creek near McDonald's. There might be some homeless people living under this bridge. Guess nobody's home. Well, nothing wants to Senko down here, but I'm determined to catch something in this spot. I'm gonna switch it up to a worm. There's the old red worm. We'll get us something now. Well, I don't know what we got, but that's no rock bass. Big old drum. Of course, we catch when the train's going by, make a little noisier. pal. It's not yet. Come on, buddy. That's a nice one, but he isn't that big, but he's a fighter though. There we go. We got you now, bud. Get that hook out of you. There he is. Good looking drum. Put him back. Alright, so I just want to catch one fish out of this spot. Gonna move on to another spot now. Just to stop here at a random spot along the road. Bank's really high here. If I'd catch a big old drum here, there's no way I'd get them up there, but we're gonna take a cast anyway. Well, we got something out there. What do we get? Oh, you got a smallmouth. Tripped in that worm down through there on a bobber, under a bobber. Nice smallmouth too. I hope I can get him up there. He's a fighter. Come on up here, pal. Don't break my line. Don't break my line. There he is. Easy, buddy. Let me get a hold of you there. There he is. Turn the top of the mouth with that little size 10 hook. Good looking creek smallie. Let's put him back. There he goes. Oh, you know what that means. I'm gonna have to toss one more worm out there. You never know. All right, so nothing on that cast. I got one more spot I want to give a try. I had to stop my drum spot here just to see if they were still in there. First cast, we got one. Come on up here, pal. Get a hold of the line. I don't want to break this pole. Get him around that stump. Over that stick. There he is. Trying to talk to me a little bit. What'd you say? Put him back. Well, I just wanted to catch that one. Just see if we're still in the hole down there. Gonna head on out of here now. Got a few things to do this afternoon. Had a fun little trip. Caught some largemouth, some smallmouth, some drum. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.